Right, so originally the Westie had a full-size cabinet that went all the way up, and it was more of a closet, they called it. And back then I guess people wore suits and stuff like that, so you needed a closet, or maybe for something, I don't know. But in today's world, for me, I would like to just see out that window, because it blocked this whole window, and you had to clean the window, through the side. Just a pain. So what I'm doing is I'm actually going to make a shorty cabinet here. So this is a resto mod. This is not a real restoration, because I got this again, and and it works. Oh, battery's on. The water's on. Oh, the tank's empty though. We emptied the tank out. We've been filling it up and emptying it, filling it up, emptying it. It had a masking tape over it for years and to keep the dust out of it, so it wasn't that bad inside. I rinsed it out before I put it in here, and then we still got to get a lid. We got to make a lid for this. We got that for a filler tube. A lot better than the original. The original, just, I'm sure that if I tried to replicate that, it would just leak, and it would just, I ended up having a rusty spare tire area from the water. So this is where I'm going to do this. I've already got this one cut. These are how I cut the hinges. So you notice, since I didn't get that in the last video, I cut like a mortise style hinge, where the hinge is actually in the wood, and then I just and they look like this when all you can see is just the hinge. And that's the way they were. That's the way they looked originally. They had a different style hinge on them. They didn't have this big 1/8 inch thing. They had like a really small one, but it was visible from the outside, and you could actually do that too. So, but yeah, this will be more useful. I'm gonna put on a countertop like this, and I think that'll be like a little, almost like an armrest where you're sitting there. Be kind of cool. And so that's what I'm gonna do with that. Little rubber hose on there, and you pinched it off, and that actually shut the, kept it from leaking. And I'm sure that those things leak like crazy while you're driving the road, bouncing around. No, we're gonna have something like this here. I've used some of my silicone tube from my turbo kit that I had left over from my Rabbit, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that to have this thing on here. What's cool? Haven't hooked it to my battery temporarily for now. 20 volts, so it's a little hard on that pump. Anyway, that's it. Let's turn it off like that. All right, that's cool. Right, so we're down to the last cabinet. I'll put you guys right over here. I got it nailed together, put the thing on. I'm going to go ahead and put this laminate on here. There's one more cabinet that goes in the back. I'm going to actually wait on that one. I need more wood. Let's see here. I haven't checked it yet. That's the last of mine. I don't really need any more of the laminate. I just roll that up and keep it just in case I need some. Kind of expensive to buy just some of that. It's like 50, 60 bucks. To roll that stuff. I don't know how much this interior has cost me. Honestly, it's been pretty expensive. It's in the $600 to $800 range, I think. Somewhere in there. Out of this thing. It's really just covered in this stuff right now. I don't want to get out another one. I only paid like $2 a piece for it, but kind of a waste when I just ruin it. I'll just kind of smear this glue around. So far so good. I haven't had any delamination on this stuff at all. So I think this glue is the way to go. This is the Lando top. It's stronger than the stuff you get in the hardware stores now. I don't know. It's not the same. They've been taking stuff out of it and taking stuff out of it. Oh, this chemical is no good for the environment, so we take this out of it. Oh, this chemical is no good for the environment. It's like, yeah, nothing's good for the environment. People aren't good for the environment. But guess what? We're here. Gotta love me. It's my daughter's old saying she was a little kid. I'm the baby. Gotta love me. Anybody know what show that's from? From dinosaurs. So she was a kid and that was a big show right then. It was only on for a little while. Just making these cabinets, boy, I tell you what, this has been a job. But it looks really cool now. I mean, I could actually comfortably, well, pretty comfortably stand. I actually did lay out the bed and light on it, and man, it is so much better than the regular foam. Totally the way to go is use that memory foam. Feels super comfortable to lie on. Work fast. All right, let's let this sit for a minute. Go out and take a look at the bus and show you where we're at. You can imagine this cabinet in there, it looks really cool. This one was actually, once I figured out what I'm doing, it's a lot easier to do. So let's take a look at that. This thing shuts like perfect. I figured out, better ways to do it, and I was able to get that one to work really easily. So you can see I went short on that cabinet there. The reason I had to do that cabinet is I have to make those bars for the back wall. So those are coming. I'm making those 2 bars for the back wall. I'm not sure what goes behind here yet. We do need to put the 5mm screws in there, get that in place, and I wanted to start making this thing. So that's kind of where it's looking right there. Looks really neat. It looks like original. I'm going to get something here to tie these up, and then I'll trim all this stuff. But I don't know if I'll get that today, but probably not. I got to make a little piece for the back there. Just going to shove something in there. Because it comes out the way that this thing lays out. I forget, it's like 48 inches or something like that. And it ends up being... No, wait, it's something happens, but it ends up hitting something or doesn't fit if you go for the whole length. So it was better just to leave a little spot at the end for some reason. I can't remember why. But yeah, once I get this in here, all the wrinkles beat out of it, no problem. And then once I get that in there, it looks really cool. So let's look how this looks when it's in. It actually looks kind of cool. Everything's a little different height. The reason I did that is because the way I wanted to cover up stuff. And I couldn't finish this all the way over to the edge because you would never get the cabinet in and out of there. So anyway, that's kind of how that went. Now I can actually make the back bar that goes from here over to that end. I still don't know exactly where it goes. I'm gonna have to go figure it out, and then actually pull that panel back a little bit over there, figure out where the metal is. I forget where it ends. I think there's a lot of metal back behind where that corner is, so something I can bolt to there, and then it goes across here to this cabinet. So that's how it went originally. Kind of went to the big tall cabinet that was here, but I had to make this one up high enough for the railing to go across there. So yeah, gonna need to make that still. Yeah, it's coming along. I'm gonna get on this thing here pretty soon. little plastic thing. I'll probably just do one separate video on just making that. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out all the stuff on this bus. It's really coming along really nice. It looks really cool. I'm really happy with it. I'm just really hot and tired right now. It's a little warm. Not that bad, but you know, when I was younger, I could just work right through something like this. It'd be no big deal. But now when I get older, I get to stop all the time. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.